Hi guys, I will be showing you how to make a bird out of a heart. Hope you enjoy. So first you draw a heart, of course. Then add a curved line through the middle. After add a beak. Then an eye. The bit after your curve is a wing, so add lines. After the line add 2 feet. So now you add a line coming out of the neck and connect it to the wing, with 2 feathers on it. Now to colour! A yellow beak. I'm doing a light pink body and a dark pink wing. You can do your own kind. I'm doing pink and I don't even know if there's a pink bird. Comment down below if you know any pink birds, or have seen any, or even know if they exist. Oops, got a bit on the other wing. I mean, got a bit on the wing, not the other wing. Almost there. Now dark. Making it thicker. Don't forget the tiny line at the back. It's covering the body of the wing.